Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing issue 11 of our Ecto-1 build, and we have our stage 36 parts right here, so let's crack it open and let's see what we got. Alright, here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got the steering wheel, we've got the steering wheel center cap, the indicator stalk, the control lever, the fuel tube, and a screw. To begin, we're going to take the control lever and the control stalk and we're going to put them together, and they are keyed. You can see there's a flat edge there, and if you take a look here, there's a little bit of a flat edge there so that they will go together just like so. They are not going to be screwed in, at least not at this point, and that is really it for now. We also won't need the center cap or the steering wheel for the rest of this issue, but we do need to bring the car out now. Alright, looking at the underside of the car, you've got the gas tank here slash battery pack. You've got a little post on the end of the fuel line here, and that post is going to go right in there, and it is keyed, so it should only go in one way. Let's see if I can get it. There it goes. And the top end of the fuel line here is going to line up with a hole on the upper side of the vehicle right here. And we're going to use an IP screw to fit that in place. And there you go. Nice and secure. Ready to go. And that actually completes stage 36. So how about that one? A nice, really short issue. We've got the fuel pump connected on the driver's side here, and a few extra pieces that will go into our collection. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.